If I have to choose two countries, if I get the choice of getting the visa of two countries, one is Australia, another is South Korea, then it would be very hard to make the decision because my parents will obviously prefer for Australia because they are for few reasons. Let me tell. Because first of all, our relatives stay there. Second of all, it is like, I mean, it's like there are Muslims people staying there, and also there are many Bengalis also there. And also if I go to Australia, my parents will prefer because I can go to university, but I cannot go to the, obviously the Seoul University or any South Korean university because they speak in other language, not English. I mean, there is English, but my parents will obviously prefer Australia. But for me, I really want to go to South Korea. If I get the chance of getting the citizenship of, I don't know, like I will not get, but if I get the chance, I would prefer in South Korea. But for my parents, I might choose the Australia.
I guess I will go to South Korea. I don't know. I guess South Korea is better than Australia.